Oh my god, I never thought this day would come. I have been waiting for this day for so long. For months, people have been fighting for an audit in Maricopa County, Arizona. And for months, the Board of Supervisors there, for those of you who don't know, have been messing around, not complying with the subpoena, which, WTF is that? But yeah, they were willing to get arrested in order to avoid an audit. That seems just a tad bit suspicious, but it doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter. A judge in Arizona just ruled that the Board of Supervisors in Maricopa County have to comply with the audit. I would say they're probably gonna try to appeal this thing, and I hope it backfires on them because what they are doing is disgusting. There is no reason for the lack of transparency after millions and millions of people have been asking for that. That's all they've been asking for is the truth, and they can't even do that. For anyone watching this video who's telling people to, oh, shut up, just move on, be quiet, your concerns don't matter, why don't you ask yourself, why is it that people are literally willing to get arrested in order to avoid the audit? I mean, hello, audit is basically synonymous for the word truth, because that's all it is. If there really was no fraud, the election results wouldn't change. No matter how much of a thorough audit you did, it's not going to change. Just be honest with yourself, because if this thing comes back and it says there is no fraud, then I am even more confused about why they were avoiding it at all costs. It makes no sense. It literally makes no sense, and it's disgusting the fact that millions of Americans have been asking for transparency, and that's all they've been asking for. They're not asking for a win. They're not asking for a loss. All they want is the truth. Every attempt at an audit for this county has been shot down, and it's disgusting. There's no reason for it. There's no reason to have a lack of transparency. It makes you look sketchy as all hell. I do not condone cheating in any form. I don't care what party it is. I don't care what candidate is running. It's disgusting. And if you think it's okay, which I've actually seen people admit that even if there was foul play, they wouldn't care because they got what they wanted. Do not put your name beside the word patriot ever again. Don't even call yourself an American. America does not claim you. You are disgusting and you have no morals whatsoever. The fact that you are so entitled that you think that your vote can just topple all other voices and that your vote's the only one that matters, you are self-entitled and you are disgusting if that's how you feel. Which I actually know a lot of Democrats and people from other parties who feel quite the opposite. They actually agree in the fact that it's disgusting, and regardless of party, like I said, I don't care what party. If this was happening to the Democrat Party right now, I would be pissed off as well. Like, don't think just because it's happening to this party or this party that's the reason I'm pissed off. It's not. Now, if this audit comes out and it actually shows what millions of Americans have been believing is actually true, and if you are someone who has been mocking or at least trying to silence the people who have these concerns, saying that they can't even have these concerns, they can't even talk about them, that they're stupid for even having them, you got some serious explaining to do for trying to censor, delete, and ban half of America for concerns that actually ended up being legitimate. And like I said, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. We don't have to guess anymore. It's not a guessing game. There's no more waiting. There's no more la-di-da. There's no holding hands and kumbaya. We're about to find out what happened in the 2020 election. All right, so stay tuned. I will be putting out more videos as I learn more to keep you updated. And yeah, that's about it. Subscribe to my crappy little channel if you'd like. It'd be appreciated. And share this video like wildfire. This is good news. It's something to be excited for. Get it out there. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.